Cage Labag open racing all in front is taken by Conquista Boy showing speed not outside extra strong and Paminzan and passing the winning post extra strong being joined by Paminzan 2.5 lengths back in third is Gobernadora, then followed now by Real Thunder. And going along for the first turn, it's extra strong. Leads by length and a half, followed by Paminzan. 4 lengths back now, Gobernadora alongside Real Thunder. 2 lengths away in fifth, Conquista Boy, running by the wheel, Sweet Eliza. And moving up, Color My World now from the outside, and Johnny Statsa. Down the half-mile they travel. It's now Minsan from the outside by length now Gobernadora sneaking by the wheel. Extra strong. Here comes Real Thunder. Still Minsan inside the last 600 and Real Thunder now from the outside. It's now Real Thunder. 400 to go. Leads by half a length followed by Minsan. Color My World sneaking by the wheel. Towards the final turn, Real Thunder from the outside, running by the wheel is Color My World. Color My World takes the lead by half a length. Real Thunder on the outside, but still Real Thunder leading by half a length, followed by Color My World. And leading the finish line is all Real Thunder. Color My World, Conquista Boy, Sweet Eliza, Minsan, Terrible Heart.